In this presentation, I'm going to show you the 3 simple ways you can increase sales with LinkedIn. While Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube are great for developing your online presence, LinkedIn can be more useful for generating leads and sales. While your competitors are busy sending out a barrage of tweets on Twitter and trying to get likes on Facebook, you can utilize LinkedIn to build an online presence and generate more high-quality leads. Here are 3 simple ways you can use LinkedIn to increase sales. Create a call to action. Instead of merely listing your name and title in your headline, show your network how you've developed others and how you can help them. Outline the benefits that you can provide, because that is what communicates who you are and what you do. Also, be sure to write a clear and concise call to action in your summary section to tell your connections precisely what you'd like them to do. It can be an email, a phone call, or just a visit to your website to subscribe to your mailing list. Even the simplest of messages can be extremely useful. Start an industry-specific LinkedIn group. One of the most effective ways to engage and excite your network about a specific topic is to form a LinkedIn group. Creating a LinkedIn group will also help you drive traffic to your site and increase sales. You can start by identifying the kind of group that you want to create and give it a name that communicates the topic. Then, reach out to well-connected individuals within your specific industry and let them know that you have started a group and would like to feature their expertise in live webinars. Finally, continue to add value to your group and provide a premium to members by offering your business services for a discount. Actively participate in LinkedIn's questions and answers. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, participating in LinkedIn's question and answer section can be extremely useful for developing stronger leads and increasing sales. The Q&A section is where current users can post questions and get answers from others in the network. To gain the benefits, make sure you are a resource that answers questions without hyping your brand. The key for using LinkedIn as a lead-generating tool is always to ask yourself how you can add value. If you can maintain this mindset, you'll find yourself on the right path for attracting new customers to your business. 4 ways to utilize LinkedIn video to increase sales. When it comes to innovation, being first doesn't always mean being the best. While LinkedIn was the last of the popular social media platforms to incorporate a native video feature, it offers businesses a slew of new opportunities for increasing sales. This new feature allows users to upload and share videos directly from their mobile phone, which enables their network to enjoy original and unique content that is relevant to their industry. Here are 4 ways that you can utilize LinkedIn videos to increase sales. Create new and compelling visual content. The ability to create and publish long-form content on LinkedIn is one of its more popular features. Producing long-form content enables you to educate the clients, leads, and prospects that visit your profile. With LinkedIn Video, you can create compelling content that visually stimulates your audience. Research has shown that visual content, like videos and images, are more likely to be shared, increasing your reach and providing you with a broader audience. Bring video to your LinkedIn groups. One of the most significant advantages of joining groups in LinkedIn is the ability to expand the size of your network with highly targeted niche audiences. Adding video to your content arsenal can help you capture the attention of more prospects that fall under your target demographic. Establish thought leadership. People tend to respond better to video content, further solidifying your efforts in building thought leadership. A video will help to humanize you and allow people to get to know you better. Video has also been shown to establish authority in a topic and niche. People relate better to video, and science has shown that the brain is hardwired to trust the human face. To build thought leadership, make sure to maintain a conversational and relatable tone and cover a wide range of topics that are relevant to your industry. Leverage referrals. An active component of building your network is your current customer referrals. You can create videos that show your prospects why you are worthy of their recommendation, and you'll soon have more references coming in as people start to see the person behind the screen. With LinkedIn Video, you will be able to effectively increase the leads that you generate, which will result in a boost in sales. 5 creative strategies for using LinkedIn to generate leads. LinkedIn continues to be an excellent resource for professionals looking to connect online. However, you don't have to continue to use LinkedIn in the usual way. It can also be used to generate new leads. When you can get a little creative with this site, you can open a new set of opportunities for your business. Here are 5 creative ways to gain more interest and generate more leads. Cold Connect. The most common and straightforward method for using LinkedIn for generating leads is to connect with people through the search function. The search function allows you to search for people who are most likely to be your customers. Even though cold connecting is a lot like cold calling and will have a low conversion rate, it is still a useful tactic that can be profitable when scaled. Warm Connect. The ideal way to connect with potential customers on LinkedIn is through an introduction. These warm contacts will be more likely to convert because they were recommended or introduced by someone they trust. You can reach out to a mutual connection and ask for an introduction. Reconnect. Just as big as the previous 2 suggestions, tending to your existing connections can be extremely beneficial for generating more leads. Let your contacts know that you're rooting for them or that you're available to chat. By being open, you can effectively drive awareness to what it is that you are doing. If they aren't direct prospects, they still might be great referral partners. Participate in discussion groups. Along with connecting directly with people, you should also consider participating in workgroup discussions to get your name out there. People tend to click on the names of those who are engaging in the conversations to find out more about them. This can provide you with the opportunity to spread brand awareness. Post updates and share content. You can attract the most attention and acquire more leads by going viral on the platform. Individual posts on LinkedIn can go viral, just like Facebook and Twitter, and those whose posts get shared often will experience a massive surge in the number of leads that are generated. Make sure to post content directly on the platform, rather than linking to other sites to increase your chances of being seen. Finding ways to create healthy habits for marketing yourself on LinkedIn and making your company more approachable and less formal will help you utilize the social platform to generate more leads for your business. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips for using LinkedIn for marketing your business. Whether your goal is to build brand awareness, generate more leads, or establish strategic partnerships, LinkedIn is a powerful business tool that can connect your brand with more than 450 million professionals around the world. Here are 5 tips that can help you better engage your audiences and grow your business. Start with your personal LinkedIn profile. Ultimately, people want to do business with other people, which is why it is essential that you start by optimizing your personal LinkedIn profile. Your personal profile and those of your employees are the peaks that come together to create your brand. When someone searches your name, you want them to find something that makes you stick out from the crowd. Your profile is where your prospects' first impressions are formed and where they decide if they can see themselves working with you. Create an effective LinkedIn company page. It is good to think of your company's LinkedIn page as your business's LinkedIn profile. You need to create a company page that provides ample opportunities for prospects to learn more about your company, your employees, and to engage with relevant content. Define your audience and goals. As with marketing initiatives, you need to start by defining your goals. Once you understand what it is that you want to accomplish, it will be easier for you to identify your audience. If your company sells a productivity tool for social media specialists, for example, you want to get social media pros to test it, because you know that if they like it and use it, they are more likely to recommend it to their bosses. Optimize your page for search. Just like you would for company website, you want to optimize your LinkedIn company page for search. A well-optimized page can help you gain more visibility when people are searching for what your company offers. Make sure that your page is designed to be SEO friendly by including relevant keywords, linking your company website, and sharing relevant content with your audience. Add company page followers. When you can get people to follow your company page, any updates you share will appear directly on their LinkedIn page feed. The more followers you can get, the higher the reach potential for each update that you publish. Start by having your employees follow the page, then promote your company page outside the company. Finally, you can add a follow button on your website to make it easy for people to follow your LinkedIn company page. By putting these 5 steps into practice, you can accomplish big things with the help of LinkedIn. As you continue to grow and add more followers, you'll start to get even better results than you ever thought possible. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile that will get you noticed. If you are looking to attract more prospects and clients with LinkedIn, then it is crucial that you understand what your ideal audience wants. A majority of them are not interested in reading an online version of your resume. What they do want to know is who you are, what products you provide, and how you can help them achieve their goals. Here's how to create a LinkedIn profile that will get you noticed and increase your leads. Start with a professional photo. If you don't already have a professional headshot, you'll need to add that to your to-do list. The photo you place on your LinkedIn profile may be your first impression with potential customers. Make sure that your professional picture is clean and professional looking. If it's not, then you need to upgrade it as soon as possible. Create a catchy headline. LinkedIn, by default, automatically populates your headline with your current title and company. But you don't have to leave it this way. You can change the headline to highlight your specialty and speak directly to your audience. You might want to consider making your headline searchable by including essential keywords. Include your biggest achievements. In the summary field of your profile, include 5 to 6 of your most significant achievements. To make it easier to read, be sure to use bullet points. Think about your target audience and then create a picture of how you can make their life easier. Add images to your experience. Adding media files to your experience is a great way to create a visual portfolio along with your standard resume information. Images will grab the attention of your target readers and increase the chances that they will stay and interact with you. Add links to relevant sites. If you have an online portfolio or work-related blog, make use of the 3 URLs that you can have on your profile and link back to them. Make sure that you are using discretion while adding links to other sites, as you still want your profile to be professional. Ask for recommendations. While endorsements are good, recommendations are the currency of LinkedIn. Take some time to reach out to past managers, colleagues, and associates to ask them to write you a recommendation. To ensure that you have a killer profile on LinkedIn, follow these easy steps. Having a killer profile will help you stand out amongst the crowd and gain more leads.